We're going to start our three-part drill. Say the sounds that you see.
Come here. Move on. What's cooked?
Oh. We'll put it in the bag. We're going to put it out of here. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. There's two ways. Very good. Very good. 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 Long O. Oh. Good. All right. Very good. Now, let's go ahead and go to our. Very good. You already knew. Our auditory drill. Ready? Get my start. Ready? Fingers up. Ready? Two ways. You remember the other way? Yes. Ready? Fingers up. The other way. Yeah. Very good. That was a hard one. All right. Right. Fingers up. Ready. What's the letter? Z. Z. Can you write it another way? Can you double it? Very good. All right. Fingers up. Fingers up. Ing. 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 Very good. All right. Fingers up. Ready? Bull. Bull. Good. Very good. All right. Fingers up. One more. Cold. Very good. Very, very good. Now we're going to use our blending board. All right. Very good. Right now we're going to use our blending board. We're going to blend some sounds. All right, fingers up. Ready, breathe. Very good. Ready, fingers up. Ready, breathe. Very good. Fingers up. Ready, breathe. Very good. Fingers up. Ready, breathe. Very good. Fingers up. Ready, read. Very good. Fingers up. Ready, read. Long I. Very good. Fingers up. Ready, read. Very good. Fingers up. Ready, read. Very good. Fingers up. Ready, read.
Oh, scroll.
Very good. These are difficult, aren't they? Let's see. Fingers up, ready, read.
Oh, shrill.
Very good. All right, try this. Ready? Un.
Unshrill.
Eh.
Unshrill.
Untrail. Very good. Isn't that hard? That was a little difficult. You're so smart. Let's see. Very good. Very good job.